Everyone, just made a video on the hood, on the lift supports. As you can see, these are the back ones. If you want the back originals from Kia, here it is. I did get aftermarket ones from Amazon, like that, like I did the front. If you haven't seen that video, I will be putting it up. So this one I have to use two flatheads in this lift support section because for some reason they are super bent at an angle for some reason, and the screwdriver wouldn't get it. But this is the old one, as you can see, and this is the new one already installed, and this is the brand I'm using right here. And these are also, as you can see, it's already lifted. They are good. Same thing, you pull the clip off right here in this section, pop the clip off. I did have to do it from the top instead of the bottom because these are upside down. So I did have to use two flatheads because it did make it a little bit tighter because it pinches against that corner of this one. So yeah, you do maybe need two screwdrivers, if not a good thin long small flathead that has a good little support piece in here. As you can see, my little screwdriver just under here, you see it popped it out. So just push it back in and it'll snap back in. Same thing, come to the side over here, take the support off. This one was easy. All you do is just hit it from the bottom and it just pops right off. Same thing, once you take the support though off, the latch will come down on you, even though it is already bad. Like these were bad, so it was already on top of my my head, just sitting there. So you can either leave it on your head or get a piece of wood, like I did later on. Put a piece of wood here, 2x4, and I did put my 2x4 in here, took the clip off and put it in. Do it like that, and it'll hold the hood, and then start changing them out one by one. That's pretty much it, just with a flathead. And this is how my old ones look. They're already pretty much gone, cracked, as you can see. They are still a little bit strong. There it goes. Yeah, they still got a little bit of strength in them, but this one is shorter and it is already had its day. This one is actually shorter than the older one here. But yeah, I changed them out because we're out at the store one day and I bumped my head pretty much on it. I was like, oh, that's not right. But now it's like over my head, so we're good. But yeah, I'll put the link in the subscription or in the comments, and thanks for watching, guys.